advisory, the wind gusts between 50 and 65 miles an hour.
Power might go out.
Large trees or limbs could be blown down and power outages may result.
Oh.
Counties in Kentucky: Carroll, Gallatin, Grant, Owen, and Pendleton. High wind warning in effect until 6 p.m. Thursday. South winds 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.